So today the contractor is saw cutting the asphalt road and the sidewalk to make space for the trench that will be going into, or the pipeline that is going into the ground. So far they're just saw cutting the top layer, and then they'll also be potholing for existing utilities to see where existing utility conflicts may exist with the line.
It's a 72 horsepower gas operated slab saw. Basically it allows me to cut up to 20 inches, 21, 22 inches thick concrete asphalt, or a combination of the two. The reason you change the blades is because you want to start small, because you want your first cut to be straight, because as the blades get bigger they get less flexible. So if you have a crooked line, then it's trying to flex. It makes it harder on the saw, the blade, and the machine.
Once you see the soil changing color, that's how you know you're close to the pipe. So this right here is sand. Sand, which they use for bedding around the pipes. So that's a clear sign that you're close to it. So here now we're just gonna start probing it, and that's your pipe right there.